Hello and welcome. This is Marlene from Lamore's Furniture Designs. Today I'm going to show you how I restored and recreated the texture pattern on the top of this laminate piece using all Paint Couture products. Being that this piece is not solid wood, this is a wood laminate piece usually found in modern furniture stores. And if you don't know what to ask for when you're buying a piece, or if you don't know to ask if your piece is solid wood, you're going home with that piece and you're gonna put candles on it. You're gonna do everything you would do to a regular wood piece. So, FYI, this is definitely something to ask when you're buying a piece of furniture. What is it made of? What does it have? Is it real wood or does it have this? This is a very popular process on modern furniture. It's a wood laminate and it's like printed, and they make it look like wood grain. It's bonded to a composite base. And in this case, there was a texture stamped on it, and I can't use a regular electric sander. I used a 120 grit hand sander and sanded down all the damaged and burned parts, which I'm going to be repairing with Paint Couture's embossing medium. I'm going to be recreating all the texture that's been damaged on this piece. After sanding all the damaged areas and giving the piece light sanding all around, I cleaned it with soap and water. Next, I wanted to give it one coat of Paint Couture's 2-in-1 primer before I added the new texture on the piece. This primer is designed to stick to these kind of surfaces, and it's going to help the new texture additive bond to this top. Now, using a precision tip needle top applicator bottle and Paint Couture's embossing medium, I'm going to recreate the texture on the missing parts of this piece. Paint Couture's embossing medium is a smooth acrylic plaster that you can use to create raised stencils or plaster looks, and it dries hard. Being that it's smooth, it's perfect to be able to use with this precision tip needle top. And this is how I am going to recreate the exact pattern that this piece came with and all the missing areas. For this piece, I had to create a custom color mix to match my client's dining room set, which would sit in the great room along with this piece. For this, I used Paint Couture's beautiful colors in the mineral lime, Tuscan sun, peacock, and evergreen as the main color. I don't measure when I mix, I just make sure I make a lot of it. You never know what's going to happen.